And we're back to learning Affinity in a year, day 5. Just a quick function, but an important one, because sometimes you get lost, you have misclicked, you have screwed with your layout, you've made changes that you don't want to have, and you can actually reset Affinity quite easily. What you have to do is to close it and then find the app icon, for example in the taskbar if you use Windows. What you have to do now is to hover over it and then hold Ctrl and left click. And this not only opens Affinity, it opens this reset window. And if you use a Mac, you have to hold, as far as I know, Command, Option and Shift and then left click. I've had it in the past that it doesn't work the first time for some reason, so try it out 2 or 3 times, but then it should work. And then you've got this reset window with reset options, for example, reset document and window states. That's one of the most useful. And you can see you can reset basically everything that you might have screwed with. If you don't know what screwed up your current version, then just select it all. And then you simply confirm via clear, and this is going to reset everything. Once again, shortkey for Windows is Ctrl and then left click, and for Mac it should be Command, Option and Shift and then left click. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.